So I cut the Clematis. I'm carrying what's left from last year. There's some fuzzies on it. These, I mean these cute little seed pods. Usually I cut it to about 5 or 6 inches to the ground, just above the lowest nodes, which is what you're supposed to do the first year at least of a group 3 Clematis. But this year I'm trying out cutting it a little bit higher. That's what it looks like now. You can see new growth right there, and you can cut anything above the new growth. Really, it doesn't matter how low you go. There's some new growth. You could just cut above that, but this time I left it, you know, because there is some new growth up here too. There. And these grow to 30 to 60 feet, they're vines. I'm just going to go through and cut off anything that doesn't have a node, like this piece. I'm going to cut right down here. And also I'll be cutting off scragglies like this from last year. They're not going to turn green again. But anywhere along this vine above the node is fine to cut. This one doesn't have any growth, so I would go a little lower, because what's just going to happen is it's going to die anyway, so it's kind of useless to keep it. See, like right here, there's the new growth, but this is brown right here. It's a tendril, and there's a brown tendril. You can leave it or you can cut it off. These kind of suck. All of my pruners are broken. Yeah, you don't want to do what I just did. I just pulled on it. That's not good. Just created a big sore. Spider.